Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Bank of America account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Bank of America account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in Bank of America.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Bank of America login like this and hit enter. And you can see on the first result of Google there is the BankofAmerica.com. click over there, and on the both pages we are on the same site, so let's close on these. Now to log into your Bank of America account, you'll be required to enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and after that click on login to sign into your Bank of America account. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or password, simply click on forgot ID/password over here to go through a process to retrieve your ID or password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you want to open an account on Bank of America, you can see the open an account option available over here. Click there to go through a process where you can sign up for Bank of America. And there guys, this is how you log into your Bank of America account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.